So now I'm going to set that pulse pulses for thyristor. So I'm selecting this pulse, then I'm giving 0. So total maximum that pulse voltage is 5 volt. D is delay. So already we have defined delay over here. Okay, so if I'm using this kind of formula over here, so here I have to use a curly bracket. That is, you have to be very careful, otherwise it will not take. So I'm giving rise time is 1 nanoseconds, is 1 nanoseconds. T on period I'm giving T divided by 50. This is a pulse width. Total time period T. So likewise I'm going to give for all the switches. So here fully control rectified, these two switches having the same pulse with delay. This is having same. So T1 and T1 and T4 will work same positive half cycle. T3 and T2 will work in negative half cycle. So that we are going to give that pulse over here. So we will complete this one also same. So pulse 0. So next I am going to give pulses for T2 and T3. So here plus delay plus T divided by 2, because this is connecting after positive cycle, means it is connecting it is conducting at negative of cycles. So T by 2, that is a total time period divided by 2. For example 20 milliseconds is a total time period, so 10 milliseconds plus this delay. So T1 is the same divided by 50. So here okay, now we have given all the 4 pulse value over here. Okay, F is also given, R1 is given. Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the simulate, edit simulation command 0.2. Okay, almost done. Now we have to connect with the ground terminal over here. Okay, yes, now we got the output. We will change the color. So now it is exactly we are getting at 30, alpha value is 30. So we got that exactly uh, that voltage is starting from here. So before 30 voltage is 0. Same after 10 milliseconds, again that is a 0. So the 30 alpha 30 degree plus 180 degree, so 210. around 210. Next negative half cycle, it is convert into positive half cycle. If you want, we can compare with input sign also. Okay, so as already told you, we want to change that alpha value. Instead of 30, if I want to give 60 degree, yes, so that waveform also changing as per the 60 degree. So likewise, this is one like a parameter we can define over here. So we don't want to change at every uh, pulse voltage. Okay, simply we can define parameter over here, so directly we can change here itself, so automatically it will take. We want to check current. So current is almost, it comes 10 amps. So current, no, it comes 12 amps. Voltage is what we have given, that is getting, we are getting 220. So we can measure, with yes, it's showing clearly. So you can able to see here frequency also changing. So maximum here we are getting 215 volt. So that is voltage drop is here. So we can check it once and we can do the simulation. So it's a very simple that you can try in our LT Spice. Okay, this is a structure how this is a way how we can make a single phase fully controlled rectifier in LT Spice. So you can measure, if you can measure that watt rating also. So you can calculate how much losses is coming. So now we got the idea. So 60 degree that you can change, in 90 degree you can change the alpha value. Okay, so thanks for watching. So now we can check watt rating, power rating also, output power. You just go across the resistor and press alt key. Now you can able to see the thermometer sample. Click that one. Here you can get the watt rating of output power rating. Okay, so we will see that what about input uh, is not plot. So I'm checking. This is a input sine wave, then this is a current. So here the formula need to change to only 0.5. So almost here also we are getting that same around I think 2.3 kilowatt. So both. So likewise you can measure it, and if you want you can right click and you can select the cursor. Based on, you can measure the input power and output power, and you can check your circuit. One more thing is this is based on this thyristor model over here. Okay, that what are the losses is appearing across the thyristor. Okay, this is a practical parameter, this is not exactly practical parameter. Okay, so as per this model, okay, that model already they have given the description over here. So we are using this 103D1. So they are given that some specification for this model. So based on only the thyristor will work. So we can't say this is exactly we are getting the practical, but this is a simulation results. So what I'm trying to say that you understanding. So this is not exact model of practical things. Okay, so based on parameter value changing, you instead of this thyristor you can use any other model also, so you will get that waveform. Okay, so please make it do the simulation for single phase fully conductive pair, and if you have any doubt you can put in the comment box, so I will solve them. So thanks for watching the videos.